Okay, tank view. Attack the. I had to be really careful. It was shooting. Oh yeah, so I wonder why the tank fled. I don't know why if this 12 flash is different. What does the date tank say? May 12, 2002. Yeah, I filmed this story before. Is it here? There's no date tank on the lid. It says on the tank. It says the date tank on the lid. It says date tank on the tank. So here you go. Filmed this story before. It's not connected to the internet yet. I might upload this video and everything. It's like Jimmy's house. Let's talk through this then. Okay. Handle, this handle is not original. It's replaced an Eljer handle. Similar to the 2000 American Standard handle, but it was gray, not white. Set the tank lid back on. Okay, this is not heavy. It might break sometimes. You need to be really careful. They might get mad if I break this.